Hello friends! We are moving to the next slide, slide 10. In this slide I want to animate the pink and blue ovals. Make them circling around the center of the slide. To do so, we will apply the motion path animation. So let's get started. Let's select the blue oval and apply the motion path animation, Shapes. The default effect options circle is good. But if you preview the animation, Play All, you will see it spinning in a small circle. And we want it to spin on the white circle on which it is located. This is not difficult to fix, but will require accuracy. Select the blue rectangle and click it in the animation pane. If you check the slide, you will see the animation forms a figure and our circle moves around its perimeter. All we need is to change the size of this figure. Stretch it to the size of the white middle circle. To be precise, we can use guides. Set new guides on top, bottom, left and right of the white circle. You can hide the white shape and the top image in selection pane for now for convenience. Make sure all 4 guides have the same value. Next, select the blue circle and click it in the animation pane and stretch its size to the size of the white circle. Use guides to navigate. We can enable back the white shape and the upper image. OK, let's preview the animation. Play All. As you see, we have another problem. The animation should start from the current position of our circle, but it starts and finishes on top of the slide. Let's fix it. Select the shape and click it in the animation pane. You will see that the start position is on top, so let's select the rotation controller and rotate it right, till you see that the start of the animation matches with the actual location of the object. Great, now let's change the timing. Duration 4. Right-click to open animation options and change the smooth start and end to 0. Good, we have one more circle left. It is absolutely the same as we did for the previous, so I will leave it to you. It is a good practice of your skills. Take your time and be precise. OK, when you finish the animation, select both shapes in the animation pane and apply Start with Previous and Play All to preview animation. I think it would be good if circles be moving in different directions. Select the first oval, Effect Options and apply Reverse Path Direction. Great! Now when you preview animation, you will see them moving towards each other. Also, I want them to be visible on gradient background and white shape, but be hidden when they fly over the upper image. So, let's find these 2 circles in the selection pane and move them down between our white shape and the image. Let's preview the animation. Now I am satisfied with the animation. However, I want to make a small adjustment to design. I think our gradient over the N letter is not contrast, and I want to make it stand out. Select it and right-click to open Format Shape menu. Go to Text Options and change the gradient. Angle 45 degrees. Left gradient color RGB 229, 21, 66. Right gradient color RGB 17, 166 and 163. And also, let's add one more color. Click the gradient stops color line to add one more stop. Change its position to 50%. And color to RGB 112, 48, 160. Transparency 20%. And I think we can change the transparency of both side colors to 0. Now I like it. We can close the format pane. Time for the opening animation. Insert the new rectangle to the sides of the slide. Change its color to pink and remove outline. Do not confuse colors. Use our primary pink color and not the one we used for letter N. Select it and apply exit animation. Fly out. Direction to top. Duration 0.5. Also, I want to add one more shape. Duplicate the previous shape, make it gray with no border and align center. It will have the same animation, but direction to bottom. And duration 0.35. Finally, we need to place it in the selection pane below the pink rectangle. Now let's make the transition. Add the circle. Change its color to gray and remove the border. We can disable the opening rectangle so we can see the oval. Change its size to 2.6 width and height. And align center. Now we can animate it. Apply entrance animation, zoom in. Duration 0.1. Next, click Add Animation and add Emphasize Animation, Grow Shrink. Let's change its duration to 0.35. Also, we need to adjust the size. Right-click the animation and open Effect Options. Make it 1500%. I think it will work just fine. Next, we need to create one more of these shapes. Press Ctrl D to duplicate it, align center and make it pink. OK, now we can enable the hidden layers back and adjust timing. Select all effects in the animation pane and apply Start with Previous. I don't want to change the order for the animation, it is fine for us. First, Delay 0 starts the animation of the circles that are spinning around the slide. At the same time, starts the opening transition. The pink layer is flying out, and when it reaches half of the slide, the second gray shape starts its animation. Change delay of the gray rectangle to 0.15 so it finishes animation at the same time as the previous one. As for the transition, the first oval should start at 3.75, both effects, and the second one at 4. Now we can preview animation to see how the entire slide looks like. I like it. All we have left is to set Auto Transition in the Transition tab. See you in the next lesson.